Keeping your eyes closed, take your hands behind your back. Catch your right wrist with your left hand. Slowly exhale, bend forward, bow down to the Mother Earth. Inhale, slowly come up. Release your hands. Slowly, with a few gentle blinks, look into your palms and open your eyes. Namaste and welcome again. Now slowly we stand up on our mats. We get into Tadasana. Now what is Tadasana? Tadasana is an asana which teaches us to stand. So, as you can see, my feet are parallel to each other. काफी जिनकी आदत होती है सिर्फ बाहर खड़े रहने की, पर हमें ऐसे अंदर खड़े रहना है. So we are not turning our legs out. Our legs are always turned inward and facing forward. Our knees will face front. Okay. The shoulders are rolled back, and there is no arch in the back. The spine is straight. I'll show the same from the side. I'm standing straight. Shoulders are rolled. Knees are soft. They are not locked. ऐसे lock नहीं रखने हैं knees को. उसे arch आएगी back में. तो हमें knees soft रखने हैं जिससे spine straight रहेगी. And look straight. Okay? Let's stand here for a few seconds and a few deep breaths here. Gain the awareness of standing. Gaze at one unmoving point in front.